My dear students, in this video we're gonna take set practice on ecology. Let's start the first question. The first question, all the organisms of one species living in one area. This is the definition of, since I found the word one and species, one species, so I specified organisms of from the same kind, all cats or all rabbits or whatever the species. This is, the answer is number 1B, population. All the organisms living in one area are known as, here they didn't mention whether from the same species or different species. So of course all organisms in the same area might include plants and different types of organisms. So this is the definition of a very good community. Let's start questions 3 to 8. The first question, number 3, converts solar energy to chemical bond energy. Which of the following? It seems like it's, yes, it's key. If it's photosynthesis, so the answer of number 3 is B, producers. Has the greatest mass in any food chain? Number 4, the greatest mass. How can I decide? Let's remember together the food pyramid or the energy pyramid. The greatest mass, the pyramid of mass, pyramid of number. So the answer of number 4, producers. Fungi are an example of this. Fungi, as you know, they are decomposers. So number 5, E. Contains the most pesticides of any organisms on the list. The most pesticides that are fat soluble, especially the fat soluble. Do you remember? So as you move up in the food chain or to an upper trophic level, you will find more pesticide concentration, which is biomagnification. So the answer of number 6 is D, secondary consumer. Here they are asking about this list. So the highest level in this list, secondary consumer. Has the least biomass in a food chain? Which one has the least biomass? Of course, the answer of number 8, also D, because as you go up in the a higher trophic level, also the mass will decrease and energy will decrease, number also will decrease. Let's go to the next page. All of the following are correct about the food chain except, just read the A, B, C, D, E. Which one is not correct about? You will find E, pesticides tend to be concentrated at the producer's level because producers have the largest mass in a food chain. Of course not, because as you know, according to biomagnification, we said as you go up in the energy pyramid or to higher trophic level, the concentration of the pesticide will increase in one individual because one individual feeds on more than one. For example, if it's herbivore, the herbivore will feed on more than one producer. So as you move up, the concentration will increase. So number 9, E. Let's start from 10 to 18. Called the permafrost. 10, permafrost. Of course, when I say permafrost, it reminds you by tundra, one of the most specific things in tundra. Characteristic organism in this biome. Large mammals, including black bear and elk, so it means that it's in the cold region, and conifer. Yes, conifer forests. It's one of the specific characteristics for number 11 is taiga. Very good. Smallest number of species. Which one of those has the smallest number of species because of the harsh environment? The answer of number 12 is tundra. Very good. E. Covers less than 4% of Earth's land surface, but about 20% of Earth's foot. 4% of Earth's land surface and 20% of Earth's foot. Very good source for food. The answer of number 13, see, it sounds like a biome which has high or great biodiversity. So the answer of number 13 is tropical rainforest. Excellent. The largest biome, obviously marine. Largest biome because the ocean has the largest size and or area on Earth. Most diversity of species. Most diversity means biodiversity. So the number of number 15 is A, tropical rainforest. Rapidly decreasing due to human interaction. The same human interaction will be more where? In the tropical rainforest due to biodiversity. So the tropical rainforest is considered like source of wood, source of food also. Most stable biome. Question number 17. Most stable biome. Which biome is stable? Of course, the marine biome, because there is less variation in temperature and less variation and also it's large and it has the highest amount of producers. That's why it's a very stable environment or ecosystem, marine. Finally, provides most of Earth's oxygen. Which one provides most of the oxygen? I just said it has phytoplankton. So the answer of number 18 is D also, marine ecosystems, because of the existence of phytoplanktons and aquatic producers.